Let's take a trip back into the past. Back when my drones flew with ESC desync and RX loss. Back when the artificial horizon was still in use and cell voltage was not displayed. Sometime on one Saturday morning at Eastside FPV. I don't know. I guess I just flew a drone around a track for a bit.
Finally awake.
Okay, apart from all the jokes, this was the first pack of the day, and throughout this clip you'll see my progression as I get faster around the track. Unfortunately, that crash you saw before was, I think, on my second or third pack, and the drone, the camera was crooked after that, so I couldn't fly for the rest of the day, but enjoy these clips. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video, I appreciate it, and I've got to try to figure out how to put a GoPro on this thing because the DVR footage isn't the best, so stay tuned for that, and hopefully I'll get some footage when we return back to the track soon.